Hello everyone, how to tuts back with another new video. In this video I'll guide you how to use ChatOn AI chatbot assistant. So first of all you need to install it in your device, then open. So you can see it's loading now. Then you have to continue. You'll see how it looks like. Continue. So it's optimizing. So it's not totally free. Okay, you can see get pro access, but you can use the basic. I'm just going to tap here. So now this time try ChatOn in premium, so you can also get a premium. Like you can ask anything, like I'm just going to tap here. Hi, um, can I earn money more money money in online? I'm just typing randomly. So hi, can I? So they'll give him the answer. So it's really easy. You can also copy this. It's generating, it's still generating. So you can see, and after that you can listen, you can visualize, you can listen, you can check the more, then you can copy, share, regenerate. So there are a lot of things here. Like if you want to copy, then simply tap here, visualize, like processing colors, so you can get the visualize like infographics. So you can see here how it looks like. But if you have the specific, maybe this is a very long answer, that's why it's something showing problem. You can listen. So you can also give the, like you can see here is the microphone, you can speak. So you can check a GPT-4 mini, so you can response tone, chat, auto shots. You can summarize this. So it's really easy to use. And here is set task for AI. So hi, what are you interested in? So there are a lot of things, and history. So this way you can use it. You can try. If you try on premium, then you'll get more feature, like get help with any task. So if you have this specific task, like for example image generation, simply tap here, like for example not now. So just simply tap here and they will generated images for you. Create an image of Mario from Super Mario Brothers making pizza in the kitchen. So just example, here you can see this is loading now. So you can generate, they are generating image. I don't know what happened this time, maybe connection problem or something else. So you can try this way, and there are a lot of things. Socials, create engaging post. You can also create engaging post, create tweet global warming. So all the thing is available here: summary, creativity, study, promotion, internet, writing, health. So you can use it. It's really easy. So friend, today's no man, see you in the next video.